Hi everyone, let me welcome you to Kenyatta Poultry Breeder. Actually, we are located in Nairobi, and for the new subscribers, welcome so much. Here we learn and share our experiences about Kenyatta chicken. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you have a question, leave it on the comment section. Kindly let's support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And this is our backyard. Today I'm in the side of the cocks. These are our cocks. As you see. On the other side, we have other chicken. On the other side there, we have others. And on this side, we have cocks. And today, I want to share with you what really happens to our chicken during rainy season. Actually, 1 week ago, we had heavy rainfall, which went for some times. And on that period, I recorded some fatalities on my backyard due to outbreak of many diseases. Actually, there was rampant outbreak of so many diseases at that period. Example, I could find in the morning a chicken with swollen eyes. Imagine a chicken not seeing anything. And not one, not two, not three, but actually during that period of time, I experienced some of them. And I thank God because I got a solution. Again, at that time, I found 50% of our chicken with poultry mites. What really happens actually is that there was a day I found a sick chicken in the morning. And after holding it, it was very light, actually with no weight. And when I was trying to know what really happens, searching on the feathers of the chicken, it was really tough. Actually, there was a lot of mites on the feathers. That was the time I started an operation of looking for other chickens on the feathers. I actually sight. And I really thank God because I got the solution again. On that period of rainy season, 2 of my chicken were affected on the legs. They couldn't stand. And that was happening in the morning. When I was feeding the chicken, I was checking on the chicken in the morning, and you actually notice if there is a sick chicken. And that period of rainy season is actually when I found those 2 with weak legs. That was a different disease, which I don't know. I think some which have the chicken can tell us these things on the comment section, or these diseases, if they have seen, and what are the answers of them, and how we can handle them. Again, during rainy season, there was decline of egg production by 50% due to cold weather. And on the comment section, not on the comment section, On the next video, I'll share with you on how I manage to pull out of the rainy season and the solution of the challenges I passed through, actually the answers, and how I pulled out of that rainy season. So see you on the comments. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share.